Cortex. We've reached them.
Hello children, humans of the future. I am honoured to speak with you.
I'm Mina, and this is Cortex, my helpful AI. We come from the future.
We've seen the future and honestly, you all turn into some pretty boring adults.
Harsh Cortex, but the good news is our mission is to help make you more you and a little less like everyone else.
Will you accept our mission and remember what makes you you?
Great. Just one small thing we forgot to mention. We can't actually find the door to our time machine.
Mina herself has actually started to forget what makes her different. Answer these questions honestly and help Mina find the door to the time machine and go fast. Time moves quicker here. First up, which do you prefer, pink or blue? Stand on one side and remember, keep moving. Watch out for the distractions, don't let them waste your time. Mina, you're doing great. Do you prefer cats or dogs? Pick a side, I won't be offended.
Just kidding, Cortex.
Copy the cat or the dog. Nice moves, Mina. Mina, you're doing great.
We've still not found the door to the time machine. We need to keep looking, keep answering the questions honestly.
Let's try one more question. Do you prefer singing or dancing?
Definitely dancing for me. Do you think you could give us some music, Cortex?
You just need to ask, Mina. Generating.
Looking for the door, where could it be? Time machine fun with Mina and Cortex. Pink path, blue path, run fast and let's get to know you. Step, step, now slide, slide. We're dancing to find the time machine. Step, step, now slide, slide. Ooh, yeah. Looking for the door, where could it be? Grapevine like a dog or slow dance with a cat. Let's get to know you. Step, step, now slide, slide. We're dancing to find the time machine. Step, step, now slide, slide. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Freeze, now strike a pose. Mina, look around, it's right behind you. Step, step, then take a bow. Let's explore the future now. Step, step, now slide, slide. We're dancing to find the time machine. Step, step, now slide, slide.
Well, Mina, you were authentically you and you found the door. Now we have the time machine. Time for a victory donut?
Or a victory dance. Did you see the black rabbit? Until next time.